908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping Goose, no Canada. Sipping Goose, no Canada. Sipping Goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. Let me shout out my Alpha Generals, Generalettes, Alpha Male and Alpha Females in the building. You heard, you know what I mean? Like, comment, subscribe, promote if you can. Please, you know what I mean? Help me get my numbers up so I can keep on bringing y'all this jewelry content. What I got here for y'all today is another nice iced out watch by Drip Talk. You heard me, Drip Talk. You know what I mean? So without further ado, you know what I mean? Like I said, promote the boy the way you should, and let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D, and I'm back again with another one. Like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is a new watch by Drip Talk Jewelry. You feel me? Drip Talk. You feel me? So without further ado, without dragging it on, let's get to it. You feel me? And as y'all can see, I got some new and improved gloves. You know what I mean? A lot of people be ranking on my gloves, but I don't care. What's up, fellas? Welcome to the team. You feel me? Now, as you can see, before we open up the box, he has different kind of boxes. This is a new one with a new emblem on it. Why? Because this is a new iteration. Drip Time Generation 6. Yeah, y'all heard it. Drip Time Generation 6. Should I repeat it? Nah, y'all heard it. Generation 6. He has one of these, you know what I mean? Lift boxes. You lift that thing up right there and bang. See that? Oh, man, that thing is glistening. But before we get to the piece, let's talk about what's in the box. Let's put that down 2 seconds. And I apologize with the different kind of background, you know what I mean? I got to get a new and improved table cover or just simply clean the old one. So please forgive me. But y'all not here for my, you know what I mean, my antics and my background. Y'all here to see the piece. As y'all know, any piece of jewelry y'all get, whether watch, whether chain, whether earrings, you know what I mean? Because he sells all those things. Y'all always get a colorful band to rep the set for all y'all drip soldiers out there. You feel me? DripTalkJewelry.com. That's where you can get any of your merchandise that y'all like from the site. And if this is your first time purchase, you can definitely get 15% off using the code DripSoldier15. You heard? And on YouTube, if you want to get connected with the owner, you know what I mean? He also has a YouTube channel, as you already know, Drip Talk 23. You feel me? So that comes in the box. And you know what I mean? Although we don't bang with this plastic, you already know. Plastic beater, plastic beater, plastic always gonna be the ops. But we'll get to it. Forget the plastic. We're gonna throw that to the side because we don't respect the plastic. But if you see, it comes with a watch link remover. Good looking Drip Talk. That's always a plus. Taking notes from these companies out here. For any other companies, y'all better take notes because these up and coming companies, sorry, you know what I mean, are hitting y'all with the watch link removers. That is dope. You know what I mean? Good looking Drip Talk. That's super dope. Let's put that down 2 seconds and let's get to the task. And to the piece at hand. See that thing? Bow. Now, as you can see, yes, it got a lot of plastic around it. We'll be taking that off in a second. Comes in this nice cushiony pillow, you feel me? Dope pillow for it to rest on. Dope box for it to sit in. You know what I mean? To keep yourself nice and organized, shiny and clean. You know what I mean? Got a nice little alloyed stainless steel bin. Let's see how this thing's opened up. There's 2 things on the side. You click them here, open it up, boom. You close it like this. Don't mind the plastic right now. As y'all know, plastic is still the ops. You know what I mean? We're not banging with them over here. Not in GSG Reviews for my Alpha Generals and Generalettes. You snap it down. I mean, that's dope, man. Let's look in the inside. Nice casing. Feel what I'm saying? This is the Drip Time Generation 6. You know what I mean? This that 6th iteration, you feel me? I already showed y'all the 2. I've already showed y'all the 5. You know what I mean? He has way more other iterations, but this right here is that new thing in gold. You feel me? Gold plated. You feel me? Let's look at the face. It got stones in the face. You gotta respect that. Got that good old round face, you know what I'm saying? Emulation watch. Dope. Now I know what y'all want to know, man. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man, how much is that thing? That thing looking crazy. This right here, driptime.com, driptime watches, Generation 6. This right here goes for a whopping $65. Yeah, you heard, $65. You cannot go wrong with that. It comes in two-tone, it comes in yellow gold, as you can see what I got on my hand, and it comes in white gold. I got the yellow gold because I got a lot of white gold pieces that y'all seen. You feel me? So I just wanted to do something a little different. This thing hits, man. I don't think the camera's doing it any justice, but this thing hits. A woman could wear it, a man could wear it, you know what I mean? It got some weight to it, not too heavy, but you know what I mean? This thing hits, man. Look at them thing, man. And if you stay to the end, I will be shine testing and diamond testing. You feel me? And like I said, when you go to the site, get your 15% off. You feel me? Let's look at it one more time. I mean, let's look around the watch. This thing got a little bit of weight to it, you know what I mean? And it got that good old, you know what I mean? Good style to it. For you to go outside and be a drip soldier and rep the set. You know what I mean? Tell me which one y'all like. If y'all would like it in two-tone or white gold, you know what I mean? For 65 bucks, man, you can't go wrong with this thing, man. This thing hits from all over, no matter how you look at it. You feel me? And it comes with that good old watch link remover, so you don't got to take it back to the jeweler, you feel me, to pay for it to get removed. You know what I mean? Ain't much more to say about this thing, man. Stay to the end. Like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Support the boy the way you should. Help me get my numbers up, man. I thank you guys for supporting me this far. I thank you guys for watching me this long. I appreciate you guys. And I got another video coming out later on in the week. You know what I mean? Discussing some things. I will have a motivational speech and I will have a treat to tell you guys some things at the end of that. But take a look at this thing, man. This thing is super tough, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm out. Okay, what I got here for y'all right now is the Drip Time Generation 6 driptalkjewelry.com visual with the watch on the wrist. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this thing, man. This thing hits. Drip Time Generation 6. Okay, what I got here for y'all right now is the diamond test. We already know that there's CZs. You'll see it beeping because it's hitting metal. The stones are very close to the metal. They're CZs, so we don't expect them to hit. This is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, what I got here for y'all right now is the shine test by Drip Talk. This thing hits. This thing goes crazy in the light, you know what I mean? And in the dark, you know what I mean? You can't go wrong with this on your wrist. You would definitely request a lot of attention. Now, 1, 2, 3. I'm officially